Now in light lesson we have to discuss the images formed by a convex lens. So at 6 different positions we can keep the object in front of the convex lens. So those positions are, we know that optical center, and next one is focus, next point is center of curvature. Based on these 3 points we can keep the object at 6 different positions. For the 6 different positions of the objects we have to see the formation of the images by drawing the ray diagrams. Now let us see each and every case. First case, if the object is kept at infinite distance, see first one is infinite distance. Object is kept at infinite distance. So this is a convex lens. This is a convex lens. This is optical center. This is focus, center of curvature. This is denoted with 2f. Why? Because focus is half of the radius of curvature. So this is also focus, 2f, center of curvature. Now if you consider the object which is kept at infinite distance, for infinite distance we have to take only the parallel rays, parallel incident rays, which are parallel to the principal axis. One ray I will consider here, another ray I will consider here. Now after refraction, according to the rules, after refraction the light ray passing through the focus, this also passing through the focus. So this is the refracted ray, the image is formed here. So the properties of the image are highly diminished, and this is real image and invert image and forms exactly on F. So this is the first ray diagram. Now next case, take the convex lens. Object is kept just beyond C. Beyond C or 2f you can write. So this is the principal axis, optical center, F and 2f. This is also F, 2f. Now again I will take the object which is just kept beyond 2f. So here we have to show the object. Object is at infinite distance, no need to show the object. So take one parallel ray. After refraction it passes through the focus, and one more ray which is passing through the optical center I will take. Then through the optical center if you take, the image is formed here. This is also invert image, real image. So the image is formed between F and 2f. So this is just a diminished image. This is also real image and invert image forms between F and 2f. F and 2f. Next position is the object is kept exactly on 2f. On 2f. Again I will take a convex lens. This is principal axis, optical center, focus. This is 2f. This is also focus, 2f. Now exactly object is kept on 2f. Now one ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis, after refraction passes through the focus. Another ray I will take which is passing through optical center. Through optical center without any deviation it passes, without any refraction. So the image is formed exactly on 2f. If you observe that the size of the image is same as the size of the object. So here same size of the image is formed, and this is also real image and invert image exactly on F it is forming, on F. Next object is kept between 2f and f. Between 2f and f. Again take the convex lens, principal axis, optical center, focus 2f, this is also focus, and center of curvature 2f. Now the object is kept between 2f and f. Here the object is kept here. Now again you have to take a parallel ray. After refraction passes through the focus. Next one more ray which is passing through optical center I will take. So here the image will be formed. If this is 2f, image is formed here. Just if you see that the size of the image is little bit greater than the size of the object. So the size is enlarged. Enlarged image is formed. Enlarged. This is also real and invert. Image is formed just beyond 2f. Okay. Next, object is kept exactly on f. If object is kept exactly on f, now take the convex lens. This is the convex lens, principal axis, optical center, focus 2f, this is also focus, center of curvature 2f. Object is kept exactly on f. Then one parallel ray you have to take. Again it will passes through the focus. Another ray which is passing through optical center. So passes without any refraction, without any deviation it passes. Now if you see the refracted rays, both are parallel to each other. Means the image is formed at infinite distance. But this is also a real image and invert image. Real and invert. So it is formed at infinite distance. Okay. Next, object is kept between f and o. Between f and o. So here this is the convex lens, principal axis, optical center, focus, center of curvature. This side also focus, center of curvature. Now object is kept here. If object is kept here, this is a parallel ray. After refraction passes through the focus. Another ray which is passing through optical center, if you take both, it appears like both are moving away each other. So the other side they will meet at a point. So here if you extend this line, and here also if you extend this line, both will coincide here, and here the image is formed, but which is virtual image. So this is virtual image. This is also enlarged. This is enlarged virtual image, and the image is formed same size, same side of object. Means in which side you are keeping the object, that side only image will be formed, but that is virtual image. So here also infinite, real and invert image. This is also enlarged image. Enlarged means highly enlarged. This is forming at infinite distance. So this is highly enlarged. This you can see same side, that is virtual image. So in all cases except the last case, all images are real images and invert images. But last case, virtual image and erect image also will be formed. Virtual, enlarged and erect image. This is erect, not inverted image. So these are the characteristics or properties of image formed by a convex lens.